PLATEPROOF enables high-performance, non-destructive testing of plates via ultrasound. It combines modern ultrasonic electronics with a robust and maintenance-friendly system design. Everything about the system is made to withstand the harsh operating conditions that are typical of rolling mills. PLATEPROOF examines hot-rolled plates in a single pass for internal defects, such as laminations. The inspection comprises the entire plate width, including longitudinal and transverse edges. Using a variety of smart sensors, the inspection groups for testing the edge areas and the plate body are controlled automatically. Some of the sensors track the plate as it proceeds through the system, while other sensors serve to protect the equipment from damage. The edge inspection carriages reduce untested edge areas by actively following longitudinal edges. In the case of cut transverse edges, they can also be used to inspect the head and tail. This is followed by testing of the plate body. Ultrasonic testing begins once the plate head reaches the edge inspection carriages, and it ends when the plate tail leaves the body test unit. The data processing is carried out completely automatically. The ultrasonic probe includes a transmitter and receiver. It is designed for the inspection of heavy plates to provide a high sensitivity over a wide range of the plate thicknesses. The probes are arranged with overlapping inspection tracks for higher inspection sensitivity, especially in case of small defects. The test data are evaluated against criteria from norms or individually defined standards. A corresponding inspection report is generated automatically upon completion of the test. Serviceability is simplified through the use of modern components, accessible design, and a reduction to the absolute minimum in the number of parts requiring maintenance. Automatic quality assessment and documentation. Outstanding inspection with very good reproducibility. High system availability.